Alright, so the exercise is called Loft. You're going to open that one up. And here's what a loft does. Now let me explain the concept. We have right now, we've got this shape, and if you look, see how those sketches aren't connected? They're separated. But it's the same shape, just a little smaller, right? Then we have another sketch up here on a different plane. You see it? Here's what we're going to do. We're going to go from that shape to that shape to that shape. So it's going to kind of blend all in. Here's how it works. When you go to Loft, you're going to get this dialog box that's going to pop up. In the dialog box, you got to click to add, and this is the part I want you to write down in your notes. You have to choose click to add. You have to add each sketch. So write that on your paper. If you can remember that, you could be able to do this loft. So I click to add, and the sketch I want to add is this one. See how it selected it? Now I got to click to add again, because I want to add a new sketch. I want to add that sketch. See how it jumps to it, shows me solid. What do I want to do again? This time I want to add the circle. Now watch. Here's what's going to happen. See the shape it's going to give me? See that? And then you click OK, and you're going to get a solid that's going to go from that shape to that second one and up to a circle. But see how it blends it all together real smooth? See it? It's pretty cool, isn't it? Now, they're showing you, all you do is click that. It looks really easy, right? Well, now I'm going to show you what really has to happen. I'm going to start with a new file. We're going to get to these things that I'm going to be demoing, and they're called work planes. I'm going to draw a quick polygon. Okay, I'm going to give it a quick dimension. We'll go one way. All right. I'm going to finish sketch. Okay. Now I have to create what's called a work plane, and those can be based off. And we're going to talk about these principal planes here. I'm going to offset that one. We'll go -3 inches. Okay. Now I can create a sketch on there. Oops. No, got to press enter. So now I'm sketching actually, if you look, I'm going to go to a home view, you'll see where I'm sketching. I'm going to draw a circle this time. Okay? I'll give that a diameter. But notice where I'm sketching, I'm not even on the, I'll go 1 inch on that. I'm not even on the same surface. See it? Done. Finish sketch. Now, I need to draw another work plane. This one I'll go, we'll make a right-hand turn. We'll go that way. It doesn't matter, I'll leave it. That's close enough. And now I'm going to sketch on that surface. Now if I look, there's that circle I drew. My polygon's up here. So I'm going to draw, I'll draw a rectangle. We're going to draw kind of over here. Okay, I'm not going to dimension it. Alright, so if you look, here's what I have so far. See it? Now, if I go to Loft, I'm going to click, I'm going to add this sketch. I'm going to click, I'm going to add this sketch. And I'm going to click, I'm going to add this sketch. Okay? So if you look, I went from a polygon to a circle up to that rectangle. You see it? However, it looks easy, but you have to understand work planes and how to use those. I did a very simple work plane called an offset. Okay? I'm going to get to work planes, but it won't be for a while yet. So when you look at Loft, you say, oh, this is easy. You just click to add, right? Is it really that easy? No, you got to add other stuff. You have to do work planes and a bunch of stuff. But you can get some really, really cool shapes. See it? Okay, go ahead and do that.